So in problem 2, we're taking a look at the two formulas they have here. Both formulas work out, but there are advantages to using either of them. And it happens to deal with the numbers here. So what does that number mean? And what does that number mean for this formula? And for the second formula, what does that number mean? What does that number mean? And what does this do to it? So those are things you should be discussing with your group. For problem B, you are just using one of the formulas, and you're talking about 12 deposits. Nothing too much there. On problem C, we're talking about the 5th birthday. So if you're stuck on this problem, you need to think, how many months have gone by the 5th birthday? Then once you figure out the amount of money that's been deposited on that month or previous months, you can start thinking about how you can get your total for all the months. So you need to be adding the first month, which was $50, plus the 53, plus all the months up to that birthday month right here. Adding all those together, what are you going to get? And is there a way to do that without actually going through and having to add all of them together? If you're not coming up with anything right now, that's okay. We're going to learn that later in the second day of this lesson. But if you do have some ideas, make sure you share it with your group and maybe even share it with some other groups.